Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson on designing Cardano applications using Mesh. My name is Roberto, and today we'll explore what Mesh can and cannot do, and how it fits into Cardano development. So first, let's talk a little bit about an overview of Mesh. Mesh is a JavaScript, TypeScript library that helps you build decentralized applications, or what are called dApps, on Cardano. And it's different from smart contract languages, but it works seamlessly with them. On-chain programming language or smart contract languages are languages like PlutusTx, Aiken, Helios, and others you'll find in the Cardano ecosystem. So let's briefly go over what Mesh can do. Mesh can help you build wallet interactions. So it makes it easier to connect and interact with Cardano wallets within your dApp. Mesh can also help you build transactions. Mesh provides tools for constructing transactions, which is an essential part of any Cardano dApp. And transactions themselves are the backbone of blockchain interactions. Transactions enable users to transfer assets and interact with smart contracts. Finally, Mesh can help you parse blockchain data. Mesh helps you parse, serialize, and deserialize blockchain data, which ensures that your dApp can handle and interpret blockchain information effectively. Now, let's briefly go over smart contracts, or AKA validators. Smart contracts or validators are custom rules for how eUTxOs are unlocked and spent. They are held at what are called contract addresses, and like we mentioned, they are written in languages like PlutusTx or Aiken, etc. Validators ensure that transactions meet specific criteria before being executed on the blockchain. So how does Mesh help you build transactions that interact with validators? Mesh excels in building transactions that help you comply with validator rules. As a Mesh developer, your focus will be on constructing valid transactions that interact with those smart contracts. Like we mentioned before, another thing that Mesh can help you do is to query blockchain data. So we've talked about Mesh providers, and those providers, what they do is they help you access blockchain data. And this is essential because every dApp will need to display and interact with real-time blockchain information. So Mesh provides the tools to provide that information in your user interface. Let's quickly go over an example of how you can visualize eUTxOs using Mesh. If we go to an explorer, in this case, we'll go to cexplorer.io, and you paste your wallet address in the search bar, you'll see a page called Address Detail. This page will show the balance of your wallet along with some other details. And it'll present you with a set of tabs, a list of tabs, and you can select the eUTxO tab. And that will show you the list of eUTxOs that your wallet holds. In a transaction, whenever you send assets from your wallet to another address, you quote unquote spend one or more of those eUTxOs. This is called a transaction. And on Cardano, transactions can be valid, meaning that they can actually be executed on chain, or they can be invalid. So there's a lot to talk about when we talk about eUTxOs or smart contract languages. And if you'd like to know more or explore more about these topics, there's a couple of links here, and we'll provide them in the video description, where you can go into more depth into what the eUTxO model is, what are unspent transaction outputs, and all this structure that the Cardano blockchain uses. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. We're understanding the capabilities and limitations of mesh because this is crucial to design effective Cardano applications. If you have any questions or would like to dive deeper, be sure to visit a session of Mesh Live Coding or join us in the Mesh Discord server. Happy building!